for my goal, chorva, charmos. So yeah. All right. I'll see you then. Bye. Preview. Preview. So hey, hello guys, what's up guys? So welcome back to my channel, and of course it's me again. You're with me again, Tones Poa. Tones Poa? Poa? Tones Poa. So for today guys, I'll do a haul. It's this one. Yeah. So my son is very naughty. So first item that I got, so we have this one. So we buy this one for our hanger clothes. So I think I'm not gonna open it because need to install it or need to parang kailangan siyang i-assemble ba. So
that was our first item, and then our next item, well, the first, so I got this bag. So I can go to the gym, put the water, because this one I think is waterproof, so it's like plastic or whatever. So I can put my oil, my towel, my water, so it's easy. So it's just really small. It's only 10 ringgit. So what else? Yes. Okay. And then the next, so we have this. Oh, give me. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Wait, this one is you can, it's like a chair.
So easy to sit down, and then you can just fold it. So if you don't want, you can just put it somewhere else. Okay, here on.
Thank you.
Ay, my son, too much naughty. So the next is, oh, we opened it already. We have this one for my son who is swimming. We used it yesterday already because we went to swimming, right? So I need to keep it, so the next time we go swimming, so we have something to use for Sander. And the next is I had this one for because I want my how to say that, my leg. Yeah, so I got this one for the feet, for firming a mini band. This one is for free exercise. So my son is very naughty. So what's inside is, I got 3. So I don't know, open the orange. Oh, so yeah, I think this one you can put in your, oh my god, very hard. Oh, this one is for your, yeah, for your here. So yeah, I got this. So that place there is very, very cheap. So I got this for, I think it's only 19 ringgit. So let's see. I think I'm gonna use, anyway, I'm getting ready for exercise. I go to the gym later. So wow, it's very long. So nice. You can make it double. So yeah, I think but this one is Mr. DIY. I got this thing for juicer, my thing. So this one DIY, and then this DIY also. This one for toilet. So, and then I got this. This is very nice. I got this one so I can put my phone. I can put my phone there and then just put it. This is like a rubber. So you can put it in your hawa cup.
And this one is only $10. $10. It's only 10 ringgit. Yeah, 10 ringgit. Yes, it's only 10 ringgit. So I think I'm gonna use it now. And then we got this another one. It's a towel. Go for swimming. You can go swimming because see that this one is like, it's really nice. So the good thing is they have this lock, so you can lock it after you use it. So we got 2. The first one was nice, so we have to buy another one. So see. Yeah, mommy, I go fishing.
Oh yeah, this, that chair is for fishing. you know that chair is for fishing, so we are ready. If we want to go fishing, we have the chair already to use to go fishing, right? So you have to be nice so we can go fishing, and that's the. And then I had few. See, sobrang ano ako, extra small. Charot, extra small. So, kasha na sa akin ng extra small. Oh, di ba? Extra small. Well, this one is for when after 3 months, probably after 3 months, because I get the small. Two smalls. Yeah, this one is two smalls, and then this one is extra small. So I got this one also. Also this one I got, so it's nice. I got this one also. All this for exercise. So, oh, diba? Got this one, and then another one here. I got this color and this black color. Have few different colors, but I don't like this. Okay, kind of small. So actually this one is small. I'm very proud of myself because before I cannot wear small size. So right now I'm very happy, so I can wear a small size and it's really like fit. Before it's like, so good thing. So I went to do the treadmill for like a month or so. I think, yeah, like a month. And then proper diet. Not really proper diet. Sometimes I cheat. Rice for like half of rice. So yeah, this t-shirt. So I think, yeah, I think that's it for all this. So. And also I just going to attach the, yeah, okay, my love. I will attach the picture. My son and my husband, they got the costume for swimming, so they already use it. He got like short. My son got the upper and the short for swimming. So I will attach the picture here. They use already. So yeah, I think that's it for the haul, for my haul of this video. So I think I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.